Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to update Android applications on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Android application, we use Google Play Store. However, for that, we have to enable Google Play Store support on our Chromebook. So we already have a video on it. You will get the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Google Play Store support, you can simply open Google Play Store and install the application. However, if you're wondering how you can update your Android application, then simply open Google Play Store, click on your profile icon, then click on Manage Apps and Device. Here, click on See Recent Updates and click on Updates Available and click on Check for Updates. If there is any update for your Android application, you will get here, simply click on Update button. Once the update process has been completed, you can simply restart your Chromebook to apply the changes. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on power button, then click on restart. So that's it. This is how you can update your Android application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.